Ladies, gentlemen, and my often forgotten, but certainly not by me, adjustable hammers. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be working on the Dually DURAMAX engine. We got the heads on, torqued, new bearings and everything, all the front and rear covers, oil pans, all that stuff on. Still have a little bit left to do on the heads. I'm gonna put the rockers on and run overhead. So I'll go through how I do that and see how far we can get today. So without further ado, alright, we're back. We got all of our rocker bridges on, push rods in, rocker shafts torqued down. So I'm gonna start running valve lash on this. I'm not gonna video running all of them. It's kind of a lengthy process, but I got a little cheat sheet here. This is how I go about setting them. So spin the motor over, and when the exhaust is just beginning to open, you adjust the intake, and then I go through and do all my exhaust or all my intake first, and then once I get all my intakes done, then I go back through and adjust the exhaust. So once I get all those done and I have all of them set, then I'll go back through and double check them all. They all get set at 12 thou. So we're gonna go ahead and start the time lapse on that guy.
One eternity later.
And we're back. It's been about a week and a half since previous part of the video. We have a lot of the stuff back on the engine. Waiting on a injection pump CP3 Sportsman from S&S to show up, and the conversion kit. Got the water pump, manifolds, oil cooler, turbo, injectors, all that stuff back in it. Got got a downpipe for it. Gotta get it cleaned up, get it ready to go on, and then I gotta move on to getting the transmission rebuilt. Just gonna be doing a stock rebuild on the transmission. Garrett's out back cutting his bumper. So got a few things left to put on the engine, get that thing squared away before it goes back onto goes back into the truck. Gotta clean up the truck before I go back in with the engine and transmission. So hopefully the this next episode will be rebuilding the transmission and then getting that stuff ready to go back into the truck as soon as we get some space cleared up in the shop. Recently got a whole plethora of shop tools and stuff from another shop that had closed down, so we are going to be most likely next weekend full steam ahead. I spent a lot of this weekend helping unload this stuff, cleaning up the shop, moving around some trucks, and yeah, so gonna be hopefully making some good progress on this dually so that we can get back on the S10 build and then get some more content. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.